So the reason why Wamunyoro missed kwa sababu ya perhaps he was told the ground would have been hostile for him.
Yeah, the ground could have been so hostile for one reason. It is a one-sided ground because it was predominantly Luo ground. And these people, they are being held by two forces. The one force being the Uhuru force, the Kasongo force. He was not in control of this ground, and he didn't know how they were going to react against him. So for him, he acted based on the information, the intelligence system that he has on there being a possibility of being humiliated. Again, this barrio was more controlled by the family, Aida herself. You remember Kalonzo was not in the list of the people that was supposed to speak at Nyayo Stadium. So he had to go all the way to Karen and speak to Mama Ida. That is how he was able to speak to Inbondo. And even in Inbondo, he was given just a seconds. He was not recognized as a leader. He had also to cut his time to introduce Akina Wangari,
Kina Mother
Karua, Akina Matiang'i. Nobody mentioned them. So he took that a fatherly kind of opportunity to also mention the people who were widely ignored. So this was a barrio that was characterized by the infightings from the government side, the ODM side, the ODM pro-government, and the ODM that are neutral or themselves. And also there was another group that was also the Ida, the family itself. They had the control. You see, Winnie was in charge of everything. And maybe perhaps because of how Wamunyoro handled when this guy was sick, what they said about him. And also remember, go back, Raila joined forces to remove Wamunyoro from office. So there has been a lot of bitterness and this has been attacking. Remember when Wamunyoro said that it is together they are together. That when the time of coming to remove them, we shall remove them together. So those are the components of metamorphosis that led to Wamunyoro not going, because in that sequence, the people who were organizing, people who were in charge of the entire barrio, they were all against him.